Hello guys, today's project is to replace the lamp of the HD25 LV projector, home theater projector. The brand is Optima, and this is the projector. And as like the other projectors, this bulb has some lifespan. So basically on the manual, if you see, this lamp life and type is basically 6,000, 5,000 and 3,500 hours if the projector has been ran in eco or normal mode. So I have this projector from last 6 years, no issues with the projector. Basically this Optima projector is very good, and now we are going to replace the existing lamp with the new lamp, or the burned out lamp with the new lamp. I am going to use this off market lamp from Araka, purchased on the Amazon. I will put the link in the description. This particular lamp has 200 days warranty for free replacement, so hopefully this is going to be the good lamp. And it has the instructions also that how to replace the lamp, but I'm not going to go over those instructions, as I will cover those in the in details on the video. Then in addition to that, there are two steps to this lamp replacement. First one is actually replacing the lamp, and the second part is resetting the lamp life to 0. So basically if you go on page number 48 of the manual, there is an option which says that how to reset the lamp life, reset the lamp hour or counter to 0. So we will go over that one also. So the first step is replace the lamp, and the second step is resetting the lamp life in the projector setting itself. So as you see, I have this box, and inside the box very nice packed lamp casing is there, and it says that everywhere it says that it has a 200 days warranty, and the lamp will be replaced in case if something goes bad. And then the tool is also given. This tool can be used to open this cover. I'm not going to use this one, but the first step in this installation process is remove this first screw and remove the second screw. Second screw will always be hiding underneath the this label, right, just to keep the warranty. So basically you just remove this cover. We will cover that in a bit. And here it is the lamp which we are going to replace with the existing lamp. So with no further ado, let's remove this two screws. And since it is very handy, I'm going to use it. Otherwise I was planning to use this one to remove the screw, but either of them will work. So this is the first screw, and then the same thing for the second screw. So once this screw is there, then you have to remove this face plate. So the face plate will come out. Very simple step. So this is the first step. Then the second step is as you see over here, there are two screws. One is over here and one is over here, and then you have to lift this entire assembly as is. So I'm going to do that part also. And I'm going to post another video where instead of removing the casing with the lamp, which this particular lamp came with, just replace the existing lamp. So that also I am going to post another video. So in this video we are going just going to cover the replacing the lamp. So remove the screw, and then remove this screw too, and then just lift this entire assembly. And as you see, this assembly is coming out very nicely. Don't lose these two screws, because those we are going to use it to install the lamp again. So this is the existing lamp. There is no sign of burnout, but I know that it is not working. And let's keep this aside, and let's remove the new lamp from the box. And as you see, the new lamp casing is also same like the existing casing. So as you see, it is exactly same like the existing lamp. So hopefully this will last forever. Do not touch anywhere. And of course I was saying that the screws you have to remove, but this also comes with the screw, which is good part. So let's insert this casing as is into the area. Very nice, it is exactly same. And then just tighten out these nuts over here. So that is the first one, and this is the second one. Once the screws are tightened out, then basically we are all set. Now just attach this notches inside this grooves, and then tighten these two screws. So it is that simple. So replacing the bulb with the casing is a piece of cake. The one which I was referring earlier is that this particular bulb comes around $80, but there are bulbs available, only bulb, not the casing, and that bulb is available for $35. So what I'm going to cover in this second video is that how to replace the bulb and keep the use the existing casing, which was the original casing came up with the projector. So as you see, we are ready, and we can attach this projector, overhead projector over here, and then reset the life of the projector lamp. And as you see, the projector light is working. I've installed the projector overhead, and it's working fine. And now the next step is, and the second step is basically resetting the lifespan of the lamp. For that, what you have to do is you have to press the menu. As soon as you click the menu button will appear. Then using the right arrow, just go to the last menu, that is this one. And as you see over here, in that particular menu, you will see you have to go to the all the way down, and it is the lamp setting. And let me zoom it on this one. As you see, there is one more is there. This is the lamp setting. So click enter, that is the center button. So as soon as you click on it, then it will say lamp hours 314, lamp model, and so on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset this lamps reset, and just say yes, and it is lamp hours is now 0. So that's it. So now we are good with the new light, and now we have to just monitor the performance of this new light. And I was surprised to see that the original lamp life was 314, which is pretty less compared to whatever I have used it. But I will investigate that further to see that what was the issue.